Buildings, an essential element to our everyday. Some built for safety, security, and comfort. Some built for learning, growth, and a rite of passage. Others for our hour of need, aiding respite, recovery, and recuperation. For some, they are inhabited sculptures. Others, where the heart is. We get buildings. We understand their many differences. We appreciate their individual wants and needs. But ultimately, we know how important they are to you and your clients. For us, it's much more than just keeping the cold out and heat in. It's about creating peace and quiet and peace of mind through an unrivaled combination of thermal, acoustic, and fire performance, creating warmer places to work, quieter places to rest, and safer places to live. We're not one size fits all. We are the only UK manufacturer of both glass and rock mineral wool, holding the best possible Green Guide ratings, enabling us to offer the right product at the right time for the right build that's also right for the future. Together, we have one home and one chance to look after it. Our heritage has been built on efficiency and quality, using local expertise passed down through generations. Who are we? We are Knauf Insulation.